Well, the Fruit Slingers are back. Let's go with that. We got another treat box here from trytreats.com. Not sponsored. Please sponsor us. And we're going to open it up and see where it's from.
Alright, so this subscription box is from Bohol, Philippines. So this month's treat comes to you from a country that is considered to be second largest archipelago in the world, and it is made up of 7,107 islands. So let's see what all we have. Oh, they have some fun facts. So the population is 107,176,275, and they speak Filipino and English. The capital is Manila. The climate is tropical. The government type is presidential republic. National holiday is Independence Day on June 12th. So happy belated Independence Day. The Philippines is the world's leading producer of coconuts, having produced 19.5 million tons of fruit in 2010. 52 million people in the Philippines speak English, making it the 5th largest English-speaking nation behind the US, India, Pakistan, and the UK. And it has one of the top 10 largest shopping malls in the world. All right.
Fascinating.
Here is our treat guide. So,
we'll read them out like last time as we get them.
yeah. All right, you wanna?
Ooh.
Oh,
I'm gone.
okay.
It's a pretty full box.
Yeah, it doesn't feel very heavy, but it's pretty loaded. All right, what are we starting with?
This Skyflake crackers. Not on there? They sometimes put a bonus treat in, so
Well, I do believe this might be a bonus because I don't see it.
it's a cracker.
It's a cracker.
We'll try it.
Oh, wait, is that the potato cracker? No, that's
Skyflakes.
this.
No.
Oh, okay. Let's just... Oh, it's like a saltine. Okay. We probably handle that. I'll just take a little piece. Oh, they're thin. Oh, okay, perfect. All right. Oh, I can do that. That's like a salted top from us. No weird aftertaste, no nothing. That's good.
It's a cracker.
All right. It looks like there's a lot of crackers in here. All right. No, of course. I should have known that we were gonna go for that. Are those the Kariki Yummy? Okay, so it's a shrimp flavor that tantalizes your taste buds with a hint of saltiness that goes great with refreshing drink. Each yummy flake provides over a third of your daily recommended antioxidant. There we go. Vitamin A. We have lots of problems.
Problem number 2. Okay.
Here we go. You're not allowed to make a face because you make me nervous. You'll probably love this because you love shrimp.
I like it.
Hmm?
I like it.
It's not horrible.
It's not, there's no overpowering taste.
No. I don't even know what to compare it to.
Corn pop.
Corn pop? But with,
Texture.
yeah, that's true. With Oh, there is a very much a shrimpy aftertaste. Yeah. Oh, okay. No, don't think. No. Nah. What the heck is that?
Iced gem biscuits.
Oh, right here. Featuring a crisp and buttery base, each bit offers a delightful combination of textures as the smooth sweetness of the icing completes the crunchy biscuit base. I'm pretty sure this whole treat box is like cracker based and hard to open. Oh, there we go.
It's so weird looking. There you go.
Oh, it smells like vanilla.
Very powdery.
It's kind of like a cupcake,
Yeah.
but with
Crunch.
yeah.
Okay.
That's probably my favorite to date, besides the saltine tops. And saltine tops. Besides the saltines. Pillows. It's a pillow-shaped snack that is meticulously crafted to deliver a satisfying, crisp texture that gives way to a burst of rich oob flavor every time. I don't think this is gonna go good. Mostly because I don't know how to pronounce most of those words. Lovely. Oh.
Looks like cereal. Or it doesn't taste like cereal.
Alright. But there's a burst. Is there stuff inside of it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Gummy inside. A little softer than gummy.
Oh. You know what those are?
Oh.
They're like our wafers. Remember those stick wafers?
Yeah.
I think that's their take on it. Kinda.
I don't really like them.
Okay.
But
They're not horrible.
mm,
Alright. Which one's next? Potato crackers. Oh, you might not like this. It's onion and cheese. So it's a light, crispy snack infused with a savory blend of onion and cheese flavor. Each bite delivers a satisfying crunch with the sweetness and mildly shaped notes of onion. Oh, you're gonna hate this.
I don't exactly hate onion. I hate the texture of onion.
Oh, these are very thin.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, a whole one?
Sure.
No, let's split it.
Eat it.
Okay. Alright. Oh. It's like sour cream and onion. But with a cracker.
It's very potato. It's very chippish. It's not bad at all.
Mm-mm.
Tina hates it.
Yeah.
But yeah, the aftertaste not so great.
No.
It's basically a chip, like heavy potato taste.
Yeah.
With less flavor. It makes it not so good.
Yeah. Let's just drink half a glass of water just to get that too stout.
This
Another
is another
cheese.
potato cracker.
So it's a light, crispy snack that combines a satisfying crunch of a biscuit with the savory taste of cheese. These thin layered potato crackers are seasoned with a rich cheese flavor.
Probably better.
It's the same freaking thing.
It's cheese flavored.
It's better than the other one.
Yeah, it's not very good though.
I don't think I like these. Okay.
Oh God.
Oh, that doesn't.
Look at it all. Looks like toffee.
Ew. It's a soft, fluffy sponge cake
Basically, it was right.
infused with the fragrant aroma of pandan leaves, a tropical flavor known for its sweet vanilla-like scent. Maybe we can just share this, cause
Very, very soft.
ew.
Let's open
Oh,
it.
just give me a little
I'm
chunk.
gonna eat it. I'll bite it.
Okay.
It's like a biting into a pillow. It's all right. Well, it's not all right, but it's not as bad as I thought it'd be. It's very light on flavor. What's the middle supposed to be?
Leaves.
Leaves are plain.
It's very airy.
Yeah.
Like, you bite it and it's like you bit nothing. Okay, well, I don't know. Oh no, another cake.
Mocha.
So it is a classic Filipino snack cake known for its rich coffee-flavored sponge and light cream filling. It features a soft, moist texture with a balanced mocha state. Not state, face.
You first.
Mm.
I don't like creamy crap.
Oh, do I have to be the big person and do a bite?
Yeah.
Oh, so very coffee smelling. Very strong on the mocha. Okay, here we go.
Okay, it's just soft inside.
Mm-hmm. It's like a coffee crisp. If coffee crisp was soft.
Yeah.
It's not awful.
Oh. I like that one.
Okay.
Coffee cake.
Oh, or that, yeah. But legit tastes like a coffee crisp.
Yeah.
Rinse the palate. All right. Oh, this is a very weird bag. Is that Bobang?
Boang.
Boang
Cornick.
is a popular Filipino snack brand best known for its crunchy, garlicky corn nuts. Oh, the name translates to garlic boy in English, and the snack lives up to its name with its bold garlic flavor. Oh, I love garlic, but oh god, is it a pop? These are, I must say, the Philippines, they really
Know how to pack their stuff.
yeah, because it is very strong plastic or wrapping. Oh, I would probably be good with just one. Let's just put one away. Oh my god, I don't even know if I can. Just the smell of this, just, here we go. Oh, no.
No.
No. I know. No.
They're strong. Very strong. Strong garlicky flavor. Not flavored, but
I love garlic, but ooh, no. Oh.
I won't eat those.
Every box has to give you like one thing that gives you goosebumps. I'm pretty sure that's it for me. Ugh. And then we're gonna end it off with
Potato
fries.
Baked, not fried.
It is made from real potatoes and seasoned with savory, light, salty flavor. They have a light, crunchy texture similar to French fries and come in a ready-to-eat snack form. Oh, all I can taste is garlic.
Looks like a cheesy.
Is it like our veggie stick kind of? Oh,
Cheesy.
yeah, like a cheesy and a stick. Oh, very cheesy smelling. Meh.
It's cheesy, but stronger probably.
Yeah.
Stronger cheese flavor.
It's like those veggie stick
Yeah.
chips that we have here.
They're okay.
Yeah, they're
Might
not
eat them.
horrible. Alright, which one do you like the best?
The shrimp.
Yeah?
Yep.
I think I like the plain saltine. Because there's a lot of interesting stuff in this box. We'll have to try another one.
Yeah, for sure. So, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. Wait for another one. They'll be coming.